Hi all, this is a continuation of previous video. In the previous video, see about edge-based tracking. Edge-based tracking is depth camera sensible to fast movements and clutter ban and transition against jitter. Next, you have object-based tracking. This object-based tracking consists of tracking must be registered to limited range of poses. It mainly focuses on objects and it is a stable tracking and a faster motion. That is, the fast motion is enabled to it. If the tracking might be restricted to limited range of poses. The object-based tracking is a stable tracking with a fast motion. It depends upon only the object which is being tracked. Next, track from deformable objects. At the deformable objects consists of numerous number of points. This numerous number of points is converted in vectors. Based upon the vectors, we can able to track in it. That is PTM, parallel tracking and parallel mapping, which estimate a composed pose in unknown sequence. The tracking and mapping are two separate tasks which produce a detailed map which is trackable of the frame rate. That is, parallel tracking and parallel mapping is a PTAM. It estimates a camera pose on unknown scene. Camera pose unknown scene, which tracking and mapping is a concept of two different separate tasks which has been produced detailed maps which can be tracked at a frame rate. That is first EMM and necessary tracking rate. Parallel tracking and parallel PTAM. Next, the current products consisting of an medical images. We have a medical image. Next, you have Pokemon Go. Next, you have a iGris and I sort of thing. Next, we have Epson Mario. This is Epson Mario is a binocular see-through display which has a camera, which has a gyroscope, which has GP accelerator and microphone. It consisting of Neuron 519.99 neurons, which is mostly optical see-through. It's optical see-through which is being used in Epson Movido. This is Cast AR. This Cast is a projector AR system which consists of $400, which is on Q1 2016. Next, you have Google Glass. This Google Glass consists of touchpad, which has a camera which records 720 pixel video, and it consists of single screen, which have a dollar of $1,500 we use. It consists of version 2, which has been developed in the year of 2016, and which is in previous video C3 This is number optical C3 HMD will be there. This mega thing is the Meta Space glasses plus Meta Pro. The Meta Space glasses consist of 3D C3 HMD, which is 3D depth camera consists 320 240 plus RGB camera will be used, which is kind of 1280 to 720 pixel. Next, you have a head tracking camera, which is a head tracking 22 to 35 FOF, which have a 9 axis accelerometer, which dollar consists of more than $667 to $3,000. Next, we have Meta Pro. This Meta Pro consisting of 40 FOE, which comes from the Sidekick PC with a 1.5 GHz with a Core i5 processor with a 4 GB RAM and 120 GB SSD hard disk, which comes $300 of amount, $3,000 of amount. Next, we have the HoloLens. This HoloLens will be used in Google as well as in Microsoft. Based upon this, you can able to see the mobile augmented reality system. Next, the Microsoft HoloLens, which is being expected in first quarter of 2016, and it has three processors of GPU, and HPU, which comes of $3,000, which cost about $3,000. Next, you have DAQR smart helmet. This DAQR smart helmet is used for augmented reality for construction industries, which have developed audio and 4D displays, which have thousands and optical see-through AR. That is, which have thousands of dollars, which are optical see-through HMD will be optical see-through augmented reality will be done in this. Next, ride-on vision sky goggles. AR, that is simply as AR sky goggles, which costing of $899, which smartphones which has see-through screen will be there. Next, AI smartphones. This all smartphones which consisting of camera, GPS, accelerometer, which have a handheld device, which will be compared to the handheld device which have video see-through HMD. Everyone has a mobile phone. Which in the mobile phone is able to have all sort of augmented reality system of it. Next, structure of tables. That is 3D scanner for the meter. Next, the uses of thing. This use of thing will be seen in next video. Moreover, In this video, we covered a topic such as augmented reality, what are all real world entertainment or real world things are there to acquire augmented reality. The real world will be there in augmented reality. Hence, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.